A landlocked country is surrounded by other countries and does not have its own ports. United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, UNCLOS, 1982, provides various rights of landlocked states: the right of ships flying the flag of landlocked states to enjoy treatment equal to that accorded to other foreign ships in maritime ports, the right of ships flying the flag of landlocked states to innocent passage through the territorial sea, and freedom of navigation in exclusive economic zones, EEZ, and the high seas. UNCLOS also specifies that landlocked states have the same flag state duties as coastal states.